hate putting microphones in tuck shirts.
Slow elevator. Alright guys, welcome to another Friday recipe. Today I want something sweet, so we're gonna make some banana cream pie. And I was realizing that my husband ate the rest of the bananas, so I'm only working with one, and I really hope that's enough. But I'm cheating because I'm using a boxed Jell-O pudding mix. So we're gonna start by whipping this up, which is really easy. But just because I don't know off the top of my head, let's read it together, shall we? Stir, mix in 2 cups in a medium saucepan, bring to a boil on medium heat, stirring constantly. All right, and then we'll just let it chill. Easy enough. So I'm gonna be using lactose-free milk because my husband is lactose intolerant and I'm not trying to blow out his bowels because I'm the one that's gonna have to clean the bathroom after, so. 2 cups. Oh, it's so heavy. Why are you foaming? Ugh. I feel like a 5-year-old trying to pour this. Oh my God, it's so heavy. Have I mentioned I'm out of shape? Oh my God. Whew. 1. That's so embarrassing, my God. I used to work my arms out all the time until the stupid Christian company I worked for like fired everybody. Now I work in an office and that's fun. All right, 2 cups. We're gonna bring that to a boil and then stir in our Jell-O. Clean as you go. As if you haven't got that by now, guys. I mean, come on, clean as you go, man. No one likes a messy kitchen, especially your wife, so do her a favor. Clean as you go. Ooh, 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 why is there still a milk mess? I just wiped it up, yo. So while we're waiting for this to boil, how was your guys' week? Mine's going pretty well. In fact, by the time you're watching this, I'll be on a vacation with my husband for his birthday. With Miss Smoosh Face, of course. Smooshy, smooshy. But of course, tell me about your week down in the comments, because I would love to hear about you guys. I hate it when this is just a one-sided conversation. I mean, that's not a conversation, that's just a crazy person talking to herself. And that's not who I want to be, so help me out, guys. I think it's warm enough at this point. I'm gonna stir it in the mix. Is that the right thing to do? I don't really know because I don't make boxed pudding very often, which probably bums my husband out because I think he actually likes pudding a lot. If he likes pudding so much, he can just buy the little cups of it. All right, nobody's got time for this unless it's for pie, and then everybody better make time for this. I got my little whisk here, and I think that's probably gonna be important so we don't get lumps. Trust me, if it wasn't a crucial step, you know that I would not be doing it. Ooh, I smell the banana. It's making me happy, yo. You know, I gotta say, I've really been enjoying these Friday cooking videos with you guys because it's a chance for me to be just silly and stupid. I feel like when I do my usual Wednesday videos that are a bit more structured, usually it's like me sewing clothes or vlogs or whatever. Because they're so structured and I kind of am following along on a path, I can't really just be loosey-goosey and do whatever. So this has been a lot of fun, and I really hope that you guys have been enjoying it too. Sing to your food to make it happy, and if it's happy, it'll taste better. That's a true story. It smells like artificial bananas, which have their place, okay? You can be fake and still have your place, just not with me. Isn't there like some law in chemistry that if you add particles to a liquid that it will cause it to boil faster? That sounds somewhat familiar from my chemistry class. If any of you are huge on chemistry, let me know down in the comments. My point being, your theory is wrong because this is still not boiling. Whew, all right, finally got our boil and it's already pretty thick. So I think we're good to pull this off and then I'm gonna let it chill. Then once this is chilled, we're gonna assemble our pie. Are you excited? Be excited. All right, I'm gonna stick her in the fridge to cool down. She's a little too hot. Too hot to chop, man. You know what? I'm impatient. I'm gonna stick her in the freezer. All right, guys, I'll see you in like an hour. Probably 2. 2 hours? At least an hour. Okay, bye. And we're back, and the pudding's almost chilled, but I'm gonna work on the crust now. So I have some Nilla wafers here. I may or may not have eaten some already. So I'm gonna pour some in a bag and crush it up. How much do I use though? I mean, come on guys, do I ever have measurements for you? Let's do about half the box. That's probably good. That's probably good. I have my rolling pin here. I'm gonna squish this all up. Ooh. Bro, if I broke this countertop, my husband would be so mad at me. And I don't know if banana pie would make up for it. Whew. All right, I think that is pretty good. Good enough, I think. So I'm gonna melt 2 tablespoons of butter in the microwave, which should be like 20 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna pour this in and shake it all about. I really hope that was enough. If not, we'll melt more. I think that was enough. So I got my pie tin here, and I'm gonna pour all of this into the tin, and then I'm gonna use the back of a measuring cup to squish it all down. Oh my God, that was, we'll see. That might be way too much. All right, good enough. Now I'm gonna chop up my banana. I'm gonna cut the pieces kind of small because I only have 1 banana here. All right, I'm gonna line the bottom with banana. And I'm probably gonna have to be somewhat sparing because, again, I only had 1 banana. Which, that's fine. He didn't know. He didn't know I was gonna make him a pie, so he didn't save me any bananas. All right, I need to save the rest of the bananas, so that's gonna have to be good. It's a little sparing, but that's all right. And now I gotta go grab my pudding. I'm gonna pour it in. Right, and I'm gonna line the top with a few more bananas. But I do wanna save more for decoration, so obviously if you're making this at home, just go wild with bananas, why not? Now we're gonna top it with some whipped cream. Oh boy, I don't have a ton left. Oh my God, it's like you don't even prepare for these videos. Duh. All right, let's see. Let's see. You know what? We are going to improvise. We like improvising, don't we, little dog? I'm just going to decorate with dollops of whipped cream, so I'm gonna put it in this little baggie. I almost lost my whipped cream. All right, now I'm gonna snip the tip and I'm just gonna squirt little dollops on the top. I don't know why I said squirt, that sounded disgusting. You know what, that's not too bad. Look at this beautiful pie. I'm gonna let her chill in the fridge for a little bit because I think the pudding can still set up a little bit more. And then we're gonna dig into her, and hopefully by then my husband will be home and we can try it together. Do me a favor, because we're tethered together now. Do you wanna grab a couple forks? 2 forks.
This isn't inconvenient at all.
I said 2 forks. I don't want your germs, gross. All right, would you like your dessert first? Before dinner? Don't look at me like that.
I guess that depends on what's for dessert. Ooh, I was wondering when you were gonna make that.
Yay, I made it.
I am so happy.
The crust is gonna be a little bit crumbly, so I figured we could just dive in with forks. So Jordan's home now. I didn't say that. Hey.
I think they can tell.
So now we're gonna try it. Yep, the crust is crumbly.
As predicted, it's delicious.
Yay! That was really good. I just realized I took a whole pile of whipped cream. All right, I gotta do an outro now.
Okay.
All right, I really hope you enjoyed this Friday's recipe. I had a lot of fun making it. It's absolutely delicious. It's husband approved. So of course, if you enjoyed, leave me a thumbs up. If you try it for yourself, let me know how it turned out for you. And if you didn't like this week's recipe, tune in next Friday. I'll have a new recipe.
Not the route I thought you were going with that. You didn't like it, then you.
All right, guys. If you did enjoy though, please subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you the next time around. Bye.